beef. Hot pan. Yeah. Take the beef, yeah, and you put it in the pan like this. Be sure you remove this into the bin. Wait like 5-10 minutes. It's gonna have some water, yeah, so wait, you have to wait 5-10 minutes, but be mindful to stir it, yeah. Now because bang bang, you turn it around. This, yeah, be sure you're still mixing. Put the fire a bit more down, yeah, bang bang. And I'm gonna add 3 eggs here, yeah, let's go. Three eggs. You mix everything. Mix. Wash like 5-6 pomodoro or cherry onions. Yes. Let's wash them. Wash them. They should look like this. Yeah. And you put them here. Spring onion. Wash it first. Do not eat it. Do not eat it. Salt, a bit of black pepper, chili flakes. If you don't like chili flakes, don't add them. Now you add a tiny bit of sriracha sauce. This was me making this beautiful dish. And yeah, I hope all of you enjoy it. Bon appetit, try it at home, be happy and eat well, eat healthy. And please, if you like this video, give me a subscribe, a like, share it with your friends, and for more videos like this and things like this, give me a subscribe. We're gonna make even more. And thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.